Hello, welcome back to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate a WordPress website from one host or domain to another host or domain. Before I begin, please make sure that you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications from my channels in future. So let's begin. I have two websites. One is ayaz.club and second one is colorsfocus.com. So I want to migrate this website ayaz.club to another domain that is colorsfocus.com. So there are several ways to migrate a WordPress website. Uh, but I am going to use one of those methods, and I would use a WordPress plugin that I will show you right now. So let's go to the WordPress admin for this website. Now go to the plugins page and click on the add new plugin. And now click on now here we should type clone. There are several plugins available out there that you can use to migrate your website. But in this video, I will use this plugin, and the name of this plugin is Clone. So once you find it, click on the Install Now button and activate it. So now this plugin has been installed. Next, you should go to the another domain where you want to migrate your website and do the same thing. Go to the dashboard, go to the plugins and install the same plugin that you have installed on the other domain. Click on the add new button and search for the clone. Now click on the install now button and click on the activate like we did before. All right. Now go back to the ayaz.club, that is the domain A, and we have two options here, create backup and restore from the URL. As we want to migrate this website, so we have to click on the create backup option and now click on the create backup button. So it is saying that this may take a few minutes. Proceed to create a backup now. I will click on the OK. Now you have to wait for some time depending on the size of your website. The size of my website was very small, as you can see, it is 6.3 MB only. So it was done very quickly. And now it has given you a publicly available URL. Just copy that URL, click on this, and go back to the domain B, the second domain where you want to migrate, and select the option restore from the URL and click on the I agree checkbox and paste the URL that you have copied from the other domain. Okay, now click on the restore from the URL button. This would import all of the website and each and every setting from your domain, old domain to the new domain. So let's begin. It may take a few minutes depending on the size. So wait. All right. You can see that it is saying that restore was successful. You may now need to resave your permalink structure. So if you have uh, pretty URL systems in your website, for example, uh, for example, if you had something like this setting, then you will have to apply this setting again. For example, let's go to the post page and open a post. For example, if you had URLs like this and you have migrated your website, then you will see that these pretty URLs will not be working anymore. because of the permalinks settings. You have to configure the permalink settings again. So for that, you have to go back to the permalinks page. Actually, I have to log in again. Okay, go to the select the post name again and click on the save changes. Now, if you will check your posts, you will see that the permalinks are working perfectly fine. So as you can see now that this is the domain name colorsfocus.com, and you can see that now this website from the ayaz.club has been successfully migrated to the colorsfocus.com. You can see each and everything is 100% same, and also URLs are working perfectly as well. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Now you can migrate your websites easily within just few clicks. So all right, uh, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you again in future videos. Take care. Bye.